screen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe. In today's video, I'm going to do a makeup haul. All the products that I've bought are from Flipkart, except one or two are from Amazon and Nykaa probably. Yeah. They are totally affordable and all the products are under rupees 300. Only one or two are above 300. So now without further ado, let's get into the video. You see that? I'm very happy today. It's because I've received all the products in the same day. I never thought I would get in the same day. I thought I would get 1 or 2 days later, but lucky me. I need to get back to normal. I have the right to be happy. I'm not a daily makeup user, but makeup is something that makes me happy. You can play with makeup, you can be more beautiful. You already are beautiful, but makeup enhances your beauty and makeup is never boring. I really need to cool down and get back into the video. So now the first thing that I have is Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. My sister bought this for me. I love her. It is from Amazon. Its original price is $750, but I got it on offer in 503, so always look for offers. And I'm in the shade Warm Nude 128. It has a pump cap and the foundation really blends in well with the skin, giving it a full coverage. So if you have spots, do not worry because this foundation is going to conceal all of that. The next thing that I have is a set of brushes. It came in this kind of packaging and there's no brand name written here, so I'm going to link it down in the description. You can check there. This is a pack of 10. There are 10 brushes in it. 5 brushes are for applying foundation, contouring, bronzing, highlighting, and the other 5 brushes, these smaller brushes, are for applying eyeshadow and concealer. These are my current favorite brushes, and what I love about these brushes is that they are so soft. The bristle is so soft. Like, trust me, they are excellent, and at this price, $199. Totally worth it. Moving on to the next, I bought this from Flipkart. It is Shryon Contour and Highlighter. I'm going to check the pronunciation after this video. I think it's a new brand or perhaps newly launched in India because I've never heard of this brand before. Actually, I was looking for bronzer and it is pretty amazing that I found this. I read the details and reviews of this product. It is good. It has 2 shades of contour, 2 shades of highlighter, 2 shades of blush, 1 shade of bronzer, and you can use this shade as compact or setting powder. And what's cool about this palette is its price. It is just 289 rupees. Yes. Now you might be thinking that maybe its quality is not that good because its price is a little low, but that is not the case. I'm going to show you guys by using it. Stop it, bird. I'm using the darker shade of contour. Look at my face. Next, I'm using the peach shade for blush. Then I'm using this shade for highlighter. And look at that radiant glow. So I always choose quality over brand. The next thing that I have is Mars, my all-time favorite, affordable and whatnot. I got this from Flipkart and its price is $319, and I need you to try this palette. I have been using Mars for like more than 3 years now and I have no objection. Otherwise, I wouldn't recommend you something which I personally don't like or trust. But Mars has been working great on my skin. Every time when I say skin. I'm going to show you guys using 2 to 3 shades. I'm taking light brown and I'm using back and forth motion to apply the eyeshadow. Then I'm taking the sponge tip applicator that I got in with this palette and I'm going to use this shimmery brown shade right below the other shade. Then I'm taking the golden shade and applying it on the inner corners of my eye. Next, I have these from Flipkart. Its price is $335. These are Blue Heaven sparkling eyeliners. They do not give a sparkling or popping effect, but rather they just shine. So I'm going to show you. This is the purple shade. This is gold, green, orange, blue, and black. These are shimmers and it just shines. Moving on to HR Metallic Glitter Shining Shimmer Eyeliner. It is available in both Amazon and Flipkart. The price may vary in both the apps. In Flipkart it's $91 and in Amazon it's $144 and you get 2. Now this liner gives that metallic popping effect and it is also waterproof. The last product that I have for this video is a lipstick from K-Beauty. It is from Nykaa and its price is $639. I lost its cover. I think it's in the shade Rumor. It's smudge proof and it gives an extreme matte finish. I love this shade and I love this lipstick. So that's it for today. today. I hope you liked the video, and if you love playing with makeup like I do, you can go for these products. They are affordable and of good quality, otherwise I wouldn't recommend. And you can check these videos out somewhere right here if you have not already. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.